the Manekshaw Auditorium in the Army Cantonment in Chandigarh, where a special screening of Bhag Milkha Bhag is going on right now. Historically, this is the first time when a film is having a simultaneous release in 125 centres all over India, and that too before its release. It's a fantastic film, Bhag Milkha Bhag, and I think it's a perfect film for having a screening of this sort, because it pays a tremendous tribute to the army personnel and the hard work that the army does for the country. Hats off to Rakesh Mehra for directing it, Prasoon Joshi the writer, and Farhan Akhtar has done an unbelievable job, and I'm sure that Milkha Singh will be immortal for the world to know, and this is a movie for not only India, but I think this is the movie that the world should be watching it.
करके सांस सांस को भट्टी अब तू जाग मिल्खा बस तू भाग मिल्खा.
Before the screening started, there were some felicitations and some really heartfelt messages shared about Army and this movie in particular.
आज अगर हिंदुस्तान की इज्जत है, अगर आज मिल्खा सिंह की इज्जत है दुनिया भर में, तो ये क्रेडिट जो है आर्मी को जाता है.
आज हम ये फिल्म जो शेयर कर रहे हैं, हम एक ऐसे एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं जो मिल्खा जी के दिल के बहुत करीब है, हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है, और वो है द इंडियन आर्मी. सो थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग अस हियर.
ये रीढ़ की हड्डी है हमारी, इनकी वजह से ये फिल्म खड़ी हुई है. हम लोग जब फिल्म बनाते हैं तो फिल्मों में एक हीरो बनाते हैं. आप लोग हमारे रियल लाइफ के हीरो हैं. आपको 100 सलाम. मिल्खा सर मेरे बचपन के हीरो हैं, उनको तो सलूट.
We spoke exclusively to Rakesh Mehra, Prasoon Joshi, Farhan Akhtar, Sonam Kapoor and Divya Datta. Let's bring you a snapshot from this conversation. Wonderful to have Farhan Akhtar here in the Army Cantonment in Chandigarh, where the special screening of Bhag Milkha Bhag is taking place. You know, I've seen it on Tuesday and still the character has not come out of my head. It's not Farhan Akhtar, it's Milkha Singh, and I think that's the biggest thing that you managed.
I cannot thank you enough for saying that.
No, seriously.
No, I really cannot. I'm very glad that you're saying it to me, because you remember we had a conversation before the thing, and there were certain aspects about the film that you spoke to me about. Kya ye zaruri tha, kya wo zaruri tha.
You know, but I'm
no, the reason I'm saying, I completely, I'm not denying that.
You know that I've been really appreciative of your.
I am not denying that at all, but I feel so happy that you understand it now, once that you've seen the film. And I truly take that as a compliment from you when you say that to me. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, we all live in a real world, and we have to respect the payback to the market. Don't confuse it with market expectations. That is कि आपकी फिल्म में जितनी भी लागत आई है, whatever has been your COP of the movie, and over and above that, you should be able to deliver a reasonable profit. And that makes it a good business sense also, in the name of art.
Bhag Milkha Bhag, your particular story about with Farhan, it was written because of water. वो पानी आपके लिए बार-बार लेने आते हैं, and written on water because it didn't materialize after a point of time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it a nice way of putting it together?
Absolutely, very nice way of putting it together. I think in a way, I think she's a fulcrum to making him go to a different path, and I think it's really nice to play a pivotal role in someone's life.
Okay, something about the entertainment quotient.
I want something which I like. If I don't like reading it, if I don't like listening to this story, why would people like it? You know, yes, Milkha Singh ji's life has been documented. There have been documentaries, there have been Doordarshan things, programs made on him. But this is, you are paying to get into a theatre. You have to reward people for that.
Today's been a very special day. We are with 3 Milkhas today. The younger one, Farhan, and Milkha ji. So it's awesome. I don't think you get such experiences that, I've done lots of biopics. for me to have somebody who's right there with you, whose story it's based on, is something really special. So this is going to really go down as a very cherished experience.
This is not merely a film. It is.
I'll take that as a. I'll take that as a huge. I'll take that as a huge compliment. I just what you just said, that is not a film. That's a huge compliment. So when a film can rise above being what it is, anybody, even a human being, can rise above what they are, then it's amazing.
This is Faridoon Sharir with cameraman Alok Dubey in Chandigarh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.